Quiet demo. Hello everybody. Ignore that screen. This is a follow-up video to the introduction to the Vampire2 FPGA accelerator that I did a couple of weeks ago. Since that video and a few conversations with one of the creators of it, Igor, I've since sent that card back to him for repair, and he sent me a new one, which is residing inside my 600 now, and it works perfectly. Super fast, well, just as before, but now it resets, reboots, it turns off and turns back on again perfectly. It works as it should, works perfectly. So this is just a quick follow-up to say thank you to Igor and the guys. A superb job. In the space of a week it was all sorted, so you know, top guys. I'll probably do a full review of this tomorrow and do some videos and stuff. I'm holding the camera by hand now, so it's a bit shaky. I'll just reset the Amiga. Hang on. Extreme close up, reboot. Well, I don't know if you heard that, but that's the jingle, the startup jingle of the Vampire2, which my other card never did for some reason. But well, oh yeah, the reason I'm running this little screen is because I've not set the monitors properly. So I'm going to do a bit of jiggling. Nice pair of icons. See if we can zoom out and yeah, lovely. So yeah, I'll try to do this by hand, so to speak, and show you that everything does what it should do. SYS info won't boot to RTG, so there's not much point in showing you that. What can I do? I'm not sure if SYS speed is RTG or not. Yes, it is. Okay. Or workbench rather. 95 MIPS. Okay. I'll also put a mini bench, which is somewhere. Mini bench. Okay. Yeah, what we're running now is RTG. It's 800 by 600 in 16 bits. Runs quickly, runs nice. I need to set myself up a nice desktop. Or workbench rather. Desktop, it's not Windows. Nice workbench. 98 MIPS on there. So yeah. So the Vampire is bolted up. I have actually screwed the case up. Or I'd show you it. I might do that tomorrow. As I said, it runs perfectly. It's been on for quite a few hours over the last couple of days. It's been playing a few games, a few demos. I'll run a demo as I'm waffling on about absolutely nothing. But yeah, it works perfectly. It's superb, and I can only recommend it fully. It's a great bit of kit. I don't know what else to say about it. The RTG is the best RTG I think I've ever used in Amiga. It's the easiest to use, it works faultlessly. If only WHD load displayed to RTG, that'd be great. I wouldn't have to use any little screens of any description. But there we go, can't have everything I suppose. Everything dies, that sounds a nice cheery demo. Let's put that on. Ooh, look, PlayStation 1 graphics in stereo. If only we'd had this in 1994 before Commodore went bust. How different things would be. Everything dies. Anyway. So yes, the Vampire 2, it posted back to Igor. He sent me a new one. I bolted it in the same day. Tried it, worked instantly. Plays a boot jingle when you turn it on. Now resets from the keyboard. My other one didn't. Turns on and turns off as it should, even when it's been on for quite a while. I've left the fan connected that was in there anyway from the last Vampire. Might as well, it's in there. The Vampire gets warm, so you might as well run a little fan. I could show you the Vampire tool commands, I suppose, which wouldn't work on my other one. Can I quit this with ease? Ugh. Of course I can't. Anyway, so yeah, it works and functions perfectly. It's a superb accelerator. I cannot praise these guys enough for what they're doing. It's absolutely superb. If you're after an accelerator for an Amiga, buy yourself a 600, buy yourself a Vampire 2, until the 1200 one comes along. But really doesn't matter. It now makes the most unloved and unuseful Amiga, i.e. the 600, one of the most useful, if not the most useful and powerful Amiga you can buy, which is amazing. Who would have thought it all these years later? A piece of junk 600 is actually of some use. So yeah, that's good. The 1200 one, not sure it'll offer any more features other than AGA, but if you're doing RTG it doesn't really matter what the chipset is. What else can I say? I'll show you a few commands. Unfortunately, in fact no, I'm going to put it on stand. I can't keep holding this bloody thing. And as is my tradition, there will be lots of noise and vibration while I do this, so apologies. I think I'd be good at this by now. Clearly I'm not. Got accelerators and things everywhere. Right, let's get sorted. I wasn't going to do a full video, but you know how it is. Don't know who he is. Here's somebody. Right, okay. I might have to reboot this because I don't know what the quit button is. Probably finished now anyway. Oh no, it goes on. It goes on forever. Right, we'll reboot. There we are, rebooting. Okay. Not sure how much you can see in the picture. Let's have a look. That's a wobbly picture. Pop away. That's a bit better. Okay. So shell, Vampire, tool, core. Okay, the very fact that it's done there is considerably different to before. This is Silver 6 core. It's not the latest, but one of the latest. My other card wouldn't accept that. It came up with nothing, I don't think. And also when I tried to flash it, it said no flash ROM. So I don't know what's wrong with it. What else can it do? Serial. Yep. Core Rev, I think, is the other. Yep. think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so it's a revision or core Silver 6. There is a new Silver 6, but I've not put that on yet. So what else can I show you? Nothing on there. Doom, you've seen Doom 1,000 times. Do HD load, it'll automatically kick me into show you a nice picture. There you go, how about that? It's quite nice. Is that all in? Oh yeah, lovely. She came and fitted the card, which was quite nice. Mini bench. Have I shown you mini bench? Don't know if I ever know. .98 MIPS. WHDL, there's no point showing you WHD load. I'll just try Rise of the Triad, which more often than not bombs out and doesn't work. But we'll try it, and if it doesn't work, well, it doesn't work. Simple as that, really. No, it's crashed. Okay. So anyway, that's the Vampire 2. Tomorrow I'll open the case and show you it fitted and running and do a better video. But this is just to say that I have a new card and it's fully working, everything's A-OK. So that'll do for now. Okay, thank you.